In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your company ID in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're setting up a new feature, troubleshooting an issue, or just need this information for your records, being able to quickly locate your company ID can be incredibly useful. So let's dive in and explore two straightforward methods for finding your company ID. To start, let's make our way to QuickBooks Online. Go ahead and open your chosen web browser. This could be something like Chrome, which is quite popular, or another browser you prefer. Type in the URL quickbooks.intuit.com and hit enter. As the page loads, you'll want to sign into your account. Make sure you're entering the correct credentials, your email, and password to log in successfully. Now that you're logged in and viewing your QuickBooks dashboard, it's time to discover your company ID using the URL address method. This method is often the quickest way to get the ID you need. Direct your attention to the top of your browser where you see the URL. Here, look for the long string of numbers that appears immediately after the word company and its subsequent /. For instance, if your URL looks similar to https://ctwenty6.qbo.intuit.com/app homepage.company ID 123456789 then 123456789 is the number you're looking for. That's your company ID. However, there might be times when you're unable to easily spot the company ID within the URL, or perhaps you're using QuickBooks features that alter the view of the main page. Fear not, as there's an alternative method available which involves going through your settings. Begin by locating the gear icon at the upper right portion of your screen. It looks like a small cog or wheel. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu of options. From there, proceed by selecting Account and Settings. This will navigate you to a new page where you'll have access to various company-related details. Within this new window, your company ID might be visible under different sections such as Company or Billing and Subscription. While you might have to explore a bit depending on how you use QuickBooks, these are typical spots where such vital information is stored and easily accessed. There it is, two straightforward routes for you to find your company ID in QuickBooks Online. Whether you choose the speedy URL method or make your way through the account and settings, both options will lead you to the same vital piece of information. With this ID in hand, you're now equipped to proceed with whatever tasks require it, and hopefully it makes managing your business finances just a bit easier. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to keep this process handy for whenever you need it again.